In this state-of-the-art facility, the incredible journey of transforming raw earth into pure gold begins.
Heavily guarded trucks deliver tons of gold ore freshly extracted from distant mines every single day. Precise weighing confirms the exact quantity of raw material arriving for processing. Ore containing precious traces of gold is carefully unloaded under strict supervision. Initial samples are collected for early assay testing to determine gold content. Each load of ore holds the promise of hidden gold, waiting to be unlocked by advanced technology. Specialized machinery begins moving the ore deeper into the arrival zone. Organized stockpiling prepares the raw material for the next critical stages ahead. Move the heavy raw material into position. With arrival logged and documented, this batch of gold ore is now ready to enter the transformation process. Oversized rocks are separated from smaller fragments to optimize downstream processing. Intense water washing removes dirt and clay adhering to the raw ore. Inside the trommel, the ore is thoroughly scrubbed and further classified by size. Cleaned and sized ore travels forward on automated conveyors for the next preparation stage. Magnetic separators extract unwanted metallic contaminants before further processing. Controlled drying reduces moisture content, preparing the ore for efficient crushing.
Moisture is down to 7.5. Adjusting drying time now. Confirmed, it's at the ideal dryness.
With cleaning and preparation complete, the ore is ready for initial size reduction. This batch of prepared gold ore now moves seamlessly into pre-processing.
Pre-processing starts with primary crushing, reducing the ore to manageable sizes. The output from primary crushing feeds directly into secondary reduction stage that breaks material down even finer for better mineral liberation.
In the ball mill, the ore is ground into a fine slurry, releasing microscopic gold particles. Cyclones classify the ground material, separating coarser particles for regrinding. The finely ground slurry is now optimized for efficient gold extraction. Special reagents are introduced to condition the slurry for the core extraction process. Intensive agitation ensures even distribution of chemicals throughout the slurry. Every variable is continuously monitored to maintain optimal pre-processing conditions.
Core processing begins with froth flotation, where air bubbles selectively attach to gold particles.
Valuable gold concentrate is skimmed from the froth while waste material sinks. The concentrate is thickened to increase gold density before further refinement. In a controlled leaching process, cyanide dissolves the gold from the concentrate into solution. The pregnant solution, now rich with dissolved gold, is separated from the solid waste. Activated carbon selectively absorbs the gold molecules from the solution. Gold-loaded carbon moves to the elution stage for stripping. High-temperature elution strips the gold from the carbon, producing a rich eluate. Electrowinning uses electricity to plate pure gold onto stainless steel cathodes. The accumulated gold sludge is gently removed from the cathodes. The gold sludge is dried and fed into high-temperature smelting furnaces. At over 1,000 degrees Celsius, the gold melts into liquid form. Molten gold is cast into doré bars containing approximately 90% pure gold. The newly cast doré bars begin cooling under strict temperature control. Core processing is complete. The doré bars now advance to post-processing for final refinement. Post-processing begins with electrolytic refining to achieve 99.99% purity. Impure gold from the doré dissolves and redeposits in ultra-pure form on the cathode. The high-purity gold cathodes are removed for final washing and drying. Multiple stages of chemical washing ensure the gold is completely free of impurities. Vacuum drying prepares the pure gold for melting into final forms. The refined gold is melted once more in a controlled induction furnace. Liquid gold is cast into standard 400-ounce or 1 kilogram investment-grade bars. The bars solidify and cool slowly to achieve perfect density and surface quality. Each bar receives unique identification and certification markings. Post-processing is complete. The gold bars now enter rigorous quality control. Quality control begins with systematic inspection of every refined gold bar. High-resolution optical systems scan for surface imperfections.
Ultrasonic testing confirms the bar is solid and free from internal voids.
Representative samples are extracted for accurate fire assay and spectrometry.
Advanced spectrometry verifies the gold meets the strictest purity standards.
Every bar is precisely weighed and measured against international specifications. Non-destructive XRF analysis double-checks the chemical composition.
Only bars passing all tests proceed. Any deviation triggers immediate rejection.
Final certification is issued only after every quality parameter is verified. Quality control is complete. The certified bars are now ready for secure packaging. Packaging begins in a high-security zone designed to protect the refined gold bars. Each bar is first encased in a protective sleeve to prevent surface damage. Vacuum sealing creates an airtight barrier against moisture and contamination. Final weight verification ensures accuracy before further packaging. Bars are loaded into reinforced security cases with individual serial tracking. Advanced electronic seals and RFID tags enable continuous tracking and tamper detection. Cases are grouped into climate-controlled transport crates for added protection. Crates receive multiple layers of strapping and anti-counterfeit holographic seals. Packaging is complete. The gold is now fully secured for transport.
Seals and tracking are confirmed. All clear. Packaging verified and documented. The gold bars move into the distribution phase.
Distribution begins as the sealed crates enter the high-security logistics warehouse. Crates are loaded into specialized armored shipping containers designed for precious metals. Advanced tracking and multi-layered security systems are engaged for the journey ahead. Armored vehicles arrive to receive the containers under strict protocol. Containers are securely transferred into the armored fleet. Central Logistics monitors every movement with satellite and ground-based systems.
The secure convoy leaves the facility, heading toward global distribution hubs.
The journey culminates as the gold reaches its destination at a major bullion repository. Containers undergo final verification and biometric access protocols before entering the vault.
Scan confirms serial number and purity match. Agreed. This one is also verified.